Hi, my name is Bryan Crawford. I'm an AVP for Business Development and Projects for Code Authority. And today I'm here to talk to you about different BI tools that you could use in your business to be effective for visualizations and reporting. There are so many different ones out there, but the three I'm going to focus on today are Power BI, Tableau, and Qlik products. And this is all based upon the 2019 Gartner report that came out that's used to grade most of the BI tools out there. So there's pros and cons to each BI tool, and there's so many to choose from. I'm going to first talk about Power BI, and that has the Microsoft name, so a lot of people know, and it's one of the most popular BI tools. It is one of the most cost-effective out of the three. They've made huge strides on getting better at big data and handling big data. But the biggest thing is you got that Microsoft brand. So a lot of people, from the ease of use and being able to pick it up quickly, it's probably the easiest BI tool for anybody to use day to day in their business. Now, the few cons to Power BI are, while it's the most popular, it is Microsoft, you do have to use the Microsoft. If you want to go in the cloud, you do have to use Azure. So that is one thing about Power BI. As well as, when you're talking about enterprise level reporting compared to Tableau and Qlik, it still has a little bit of room to catch up to Tableau and Qlik View on that. So for those two things, you have to keep that in consideration when it comes to Power BI. The next one is Tableau. And for me, Tableau has the best visuals, the best graphs out there. If you really want your report to pop, Tableau is the way to go. Also, it's the most popular right now. While Power BI and Qlik View, or Power BI is catching up with Tableau, it still has the biggest fan base, the most conferences, and the most users that use it because of that pop factor that Tableau has. A few cons of Tableau: while it does have pop on your graphs, when it comes to charts like Excels and moving your chart types, it doesn't do well with those types of graphs, and it really can get complex, and it's very challenging for some developers to do. The other thing is very costly compared to Power BI, which is a lot cheaper. There's a lot more investment you have to make if you're going to get a Tableau license and subscription. The last one I'm going to talk about is Qlik products. That's Qlik View and Qlik Sense. So it's the best of the other two for the enterprise level reporting. So when you're dealing with complex, big data, it can handle it. And it really doesn't matter how big the data is from a performance perspective, it can handle that for sure. So when we talk about enterprise level type of reporting, Qlik View is probably better than Tableau and Power BI in my opinion. The couple of cons with Qlik is that compared to Power BI and Tableau, it's probably the hardest to learn. It's the most complex from a BI developer perspective. If they want to learn, it's going to take them a bigger learning curve to do that. As well as similar to Tableau, it is very costly as well. You have to buy the license and subscription, so you have to keep that in mind as well. So those two things you have to really look at when it comes to Qlik View. If you're interested in any of these three BI products or any BI products, click the link below for a free consultation, and we'll get to the new year start off right for you and your company.